why do the planets move the way they do? Who knows? Johannes Kepler knows. His name is Johannes. Kepler is Kepler. Kepler was a famous astronomer and mathematician who determined the planetary laws of motion that described how the planets orbit, O-R-B-I-T, the sun. Modern astronomer Carl Sagan describes Kepler as the first astrophysicist and the last scientific astrologer. Astrophysicists study the physics and chemistry of celestial objects. Astrologers study the movement of celestial objects. There's a trash can right there. You ready to spell some words?
Yeah.
All right. Let's spell chemistry. Let's switch it back. Yep. C, H, you got it. Keep going. E, then find it. Get there. Almost there. Get your eyes up. Find it next to the N. Yes. M, then get up. S, then T. Very good. Then you gotta get your eyes up. Your T is R, then Y. Very good. Chemistry. I always say the letter ahead. You were on I, which was correct, and then S was next, but you got it. Chemistry. My mouth goes faster, or my brain goes faster. I'm not sure which. It's kind of crazy. Let's see. It says Mr. Kepler's first name. What was his first name?
I don't know.
You gotta get there. You can find it. Yep. J, then next door. You got it. You're right there. Look at it. Yep. O, then up. You got it right there. You were close. H, very good. Bring that arm back. Help you find it with your eyes first. A, very good. Bring your arm back. After A is, you gotta get those eyes next door. N, there's two of those. N, bring your arm back. After N, then get your eyes up. Up, up, up. E, last letter. You're almost there. S, awesome. Johannes. Johannes, maybe? Johannes? Joe something. Johannes? Probably Johannes Kepler. Alright. He determined the planetary laws of... You got it. Get there before it's not I. You have to find it. Yes. N. Then get your eyes all the way over. Up one. O. Then slow you down. After O. Then right for it. T. Bring it back. Very good. After T. Get your eyes there. I. Then start O, and you got it, you're right there, N. Motion. All those letters are close together, huh?
Done.
We've got a lot to do. Let's see, let me look at it so I can show you.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to read about Isaac Newton, and then we're going to read about, that's not a person, we're just going to read about more observational study of the planets, and then theoretical. So we have observational, theoretical, and then our last one. So I have 4 little sections. And when studying the motion of the planets, they described how planets do what to the sun?
I don't know.
What do planets do to the sun?
Set.
The sun does set. Those words trigger things. We have to think about what we read in our story. So we talk about the movement of planets, and the planets blank the sun. Yep. O, then R. Find it. Get those eyes there. B. Very good. Bring your arm back. After B is I. Make sure you find it with your eyes before you go. T. Very good. Orbits the sun. Alright. We talked about how astrophysicists study the chemistry of celestial objects, but astrologers study the what?
Yeah.
Yep, and then next door you got it. O. Should you find it with your eyes? O. B. Very good. I like it. Come to your board. There it is. E. After E, make sure you get your eyes there. Yep. And then go for it. Go straight to it. E. After E is next door. N. Last one. Make make sure you find it first. It's not S, but T. Very good. Movement. Astrologers study the movement.
All done.
Read our next section.
Yeah.
Alright. Finally, let's meet Isaac Newton. I-S-A-A-C. Newton is N-E-W-T-O-N. Do you recognize a lot of these names?
Yeah.
Galileo and Newton. There's some videos about those, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, so Newton was also a scientist, mathematician, and astronomer who explained the physics behind the solar system. He used 3 laws of motion and universal gravitation to do so. So we're talking about gravity. Gravitation is G-R-A-V-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. His laws of motion were 3 fundamental laws of physics that laid the foundation for classic mechanics used today. Considered one of the most important scientists in history, even Albert Einstein, A-L-B-E-R-T, Einstein is E-I-N-S-T-E-I-N, said Newton was one of the smartest persons that ever lived. That's pretty cool, huh?
Done.
All these people we know. Alright. Are you looking at my purple shirt today?
Yeah.
You got on some bright colors today, huh?
Purple.
Alright, let's spell solar system.
Hey.
Ready? S then. Go right for it. You got it. Get those eyes there. S then up. Oh, very good. Move those eyes. S-O. Find your eyes. Get them over where they need to be. Get them over there. We'll do these. S-O.
So.
Solar system.
L.
Yep. L. Then A. Then find it first with your eyes. Get there. R. Very good. Solar. S then. Gotta find it first, get there. Y, then back up. S, then T. After T is E. Last letter, make sure you find it. M. Perfect. Solar system.
All done.
We got lots to do. We'll keep working through. Let's see. Alright. Who are we learning about now?
I don't know.
The smartest person that ever lived. What was his name? Yep, you got it. I. S. A, and he has 2 A's. It's kind of tricky. A, then C. Yep, Isaac. Spell his last name. N. Not A, but E. Very good. Should you slow down? Go straight for the letter you want. Not S. There it is. U or W, then T. After T, make sure you go for it. O, then N. Awesome. Isaac Newton.
Wheel.
How many laws of motion did he use?
3.
Yeah, good remembering. Nice. 3 laws of motion.
3.
Alright. And he also used universal what? I am going to find it, slow you down. Go right for it. Yep, G. Get this I there, not L. Go all the way to the letter. Yep, R. Then A. Make sure you find it with your eyes. Keep going. Sorry, you're close. B. Make sure you find it. Get there, get there. I. You got it. You're doing awesome. Next story. T. Slow you. Make sure you get there with your eyes. A. Back to T. Find it. Keep going, keep going. I. Get right for it. Next door. O, then N. Gravitation.
Done.
Pretty easy. We're going to do one more in this section, then we'll read some more. We've got 2 more sections to read and answer some questions. You're doing awesome. Alright. Who said that Isaac Newton was the smartest person that ever lived? Who was the other scientist?
I don't know.
Got it. A. Then right for it, you got it. A, then right in the middle. L. After L is got it. B, then E. Slow you down. After E. R. After R. Make sure you find it. T. Very good. Albert. What was his last name?
I don't know.
E, then I. You got it, go for it. N, E-I-N, S, then T, E, get there, get there, get there, get there, one more. I, last letter, go right for it. N, very good. Albert Einstein. Let me write it down and then I'll read it. Making those eyes work today, aren't we?
Yeah.
You're doing awesome though. I'm impressed. They look tired. We only got 2 more sections. Alright. It says there are several fields of study in the science of astronomy. They include observational, theoretical, solar, planetary, Planetary, and stellar, Stellar. Observational is exactly what you think, what you can observe, including with the naked eye or using equipment, including a radio, infrared, X-ray, gamma ray, or ultraviolet tools. Theoretical, which is Theoretical, astronomy uses math to better describe things we cannot observe with current technology. In other words, it uses math to guess what is happening in the universe. Solar astronomy focuses on the sun. This is very important as the sun has a significant impact on our Earth. All right. Let's see. Let's spell planetary. Yep, P, L, get up there, A, then N, then P, then T, then all the way up, A, yep. Next to R, last letter, find it, go down. Y, very good, planetary. All right, which one uses math to describe? So I'll draw a blank to help. Talked about the different kinds of astronomy. So you spell planetary, and then there was a different one, blank astronomy, that uses math. What is that one?
I don't know.
Spell it.
Yeah.
You got it. Okay. Keep going. You get right next to it. Yep, there it is. T. I'm going to slow you down just because it helps when your eyes get tired. Give them more time. T, then find it with your eyes. So close right next to her. H, and bring it back. Then E. And bring it back here. After E is O. Very good. Bring it back. Then R. Excellent. After R, let's find it. E. Make sure you go right for it. Next door. T. Find it with your eyes first. Find it. Yep. I, very good. Then, yep. C. Then A. Last letter is O. Very good. Theoretical. Easy match. So close. Few more minutes. Let's see. Observational astronomy is what you can. What would be the other one? That's fine. Give me that one too.
I don't know.
Things we can
Do.
not do, but yeah, O, then, right for it, B, there it is, O, B, then, got it, S, didn't go through on that one, huh, S, then, E, make sure you find it with your eyes, get there first, all the way over, R, after R is, find it, B, last letter, E, there it is, observe. Do one more question from this section, then we'll read our last section. Which astronomy helps you focus on the sun? Which one was that? You got it. S. Then O. Yeah, bring it back. After O is L. Bring it back, find it. A. Last letter, find it. R. Perfect. Solar. Nicely done. All right, we'll read our last section and answer 2 questions. How's that sound? We'll do one spelling
Good.
question. All right. It says planetary astronomy is focused on planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Here, scientists try to figure out how the objects were formed and what they are made of. Stellar astronomy, stellar is S-T-E, sorry, get my page, S-T-E-L-L-A-R, reviews the life cycle of the stars, including their final states, black holes, neutron stars, which is N-E-U-T-R-O-N, neutron, and supernovas. All right. Let's see. Should we do some easy ones to finish out?
Yeah.
All right. Let's spell black holes. B L A C K. Black. Yep. H O. Find it. L. Then I'll look E S. Awesome. Black holes. Let's spell neutron. N. Get it. E. Then find it. Find it. Find it. There it is. U. And all the way back. T. Next door, you got it. R. You bring it back. Find it. After R is. There it is. O and N. Excellent. I'll do one question. We did.
You're goofy.
Alright. The life cycle of stars are examined in this kind of astronomy. What was the last type of astronomy that we talked about? Yep. S, then T. Make sure you find it. Go for it. Go straight there. Yes. E. Find it. L. Give me two of those. A. Last letter. Get there. R. Nice. High five, bud. That was awesome today. I love seeing you work so hard. So impressed.